Is it permissible to pray 8 rakah of Taraweeh in masjid where 20 rakats are offered? Before we discuss the question, is it permitted to offer 8 rakat in a mosque where 20 rakats are offered, first let us understand which is better, offering 8 rakat, offering 20 rakats of Taraweeh. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, as far as Qiyamul Layl is concerned, Qiyamul Layl is the right word or terminology for Taraweeh. The terminology of Taraweeh came later on, decades later on, where people used to rest in between Raha, so the word Taraweeh is derived from there. But the right Arabic word used in the Hadith and used by the Prophet is Qiyamul Layl. And the Prophet said, as far as Qiyamul Layl is concerned, pray 2 rakat and 2 rakat and 2 rakat as much as you can. So according to the Prophet, you can pray 2 rakat in multiples of 2 rakat. There is no restriction whether you pray 2 rakat or 4 rakat or 8 rakat or 10 rakat or 20 rakat, all is accepted. And there are hadiths showing that the Sahabas in Ramadan, in Taraweeh, offered 16 rakat, even offered 20 rakat, even more than that. But it was the practice of the Prophet that the Prophet always offered 8 rakat. There is no evidence in the full life of the Prophet that he performed Qiyamul Layl more than 8 rakat. He put 8 rakat and plus witr. But the Qiyamul Layl was always 8 rakat. So if you want to follow the practice and the sunnah of the Prophet together, then it is preferable you offer 8 rakat Taraweeh. But the Prophet also said that the longer you offer Taraweeh, the longer you stand in prayer in the Qiyamul Layl, the more sawab. So the question is, which is more important, longer or number of rakat? As per the saying of the Prophet, you can offer 2 rakats in multiples. There is no restriction. So the longer time you spend in salah is more important than the number of rakah, as long as it is in multiples of 2. Suppose someone is offering 1 hour of Taraweeh. Which is better? Offering 1 hour of Taraweeh 8 rakat or 1 hour of 20 rakah? Both are accepted, both are permissible, but according to the practice of the Prophet, offering 8 rakat for 1 Taraweeh is preferable than offering 20 rakat of Taraweeh for 1 hour. But both are acceptable, both are permissible. But if someone offers 2 rakats, if someone offers 20 rakat Taraweeh for 2 hours and someone offers 8 rakat for 1 hour, then according to me, 20 rakat for 2 hours Taraweeh is better than 8 rakat for 1 hour. The length of the duration of Taraweeh is more important than the rakah. The longer you stand in front of your Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the more sawab you get. Coming to your basic question, can a person offer only 8 rakat in a mosque which is offering 20 rakat? Is it permissible? Yes, it is permissible. But it is not mustahab. It is not encouraged. Number one, if you are offering 8 rakat Taraweeh and leaving the Jamaat, but natural, the Jamaat is offering for 20 rakat for a longer time, so the sawab that they will get for Taraweeh is more than you. It's permissible, but which is better? Of course, offering 20 rakat you will offer much longer than offering only 8 rakat. And point number 2, our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that pray till the Imam prays. And if you pray till the end of the Salah, till the Imam prays, it is as though you have prayed for the full night. So if you leave in between, but naturally you will not be getting the sawab for praying the full night. So according to me, it is permissible to pray only 8 rakat and leave. But the afzal, mustahab, the better would be complete the full Taraweeh along with the Imam, so that you get more sawab for praying longer and also get sawab for praying for the full night. Hope that answers the question.